In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate this AI generate photo in just using Capcut Desktop version. So before we start, if you need some creator pack, you can check our description down below and also leave a comment in this video so that we can see what you need in the next video. So first, you can open this AI generated image from the media tab. So for the media tab, you can search down for AI generated and you'll come to this column. As you can see, this is my past generate using Capcut Desktop, and you can see this is some of the example that I have generated using prompt command to generate from text to photo. And I will take this as an example to generate AI photo for this video. First, you need to have your prompt or command in the description text box down below, and after that you can type whatever you want. For example, you want to type other cat, strong cat picture, so you just type your prompt here, and you can just adjust your prompt to have general or even animate style of photo. After that, you can come to the ratio tab. You can generate your photo based on your requirement size, and also at the down here for the step column, this step, if you have a higher step, means that the image generated will be more precise and more concentrate in content. So you can play around with this volume to generate your ideal photo. After that, you can just press generate. So basically, if your step is higher, it takes more time to generate out photo for the AI generate in Capcut. After that, you can see I have generated my image. So basically the image will be different, but the prompt is the same. It can generate up to 8, 12, 16, so that you can have a choose based on the specified the best photo you can choose. And if you have no idea what you want to do and what you want to type in the prompt command, you can open this showcase from Capcut. In this showcase, they will have some example photo with prompt included in the photo. So you can just copy the prompt and the command, and you can just copy and paste it at the describe tab down below. So for example, you want to make a photo similar for this one, you can just use the prompt, and the prompt will automatically be copied to your description box, and you can just generate it out. So as you can see, it will generate similar photo based on what you referenced just now. So you can just play around, generate more, so that you can choose the best photo for your project or even your video. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.